Shalom Aleichem, Chodesh Tov. I hope you're having an amazing day and you're taking advantage of Rosh Chodesh Elul. I have a few important announcements. First of all, tonight, Be'ezrat Hashem, we're going to have another lecture for Rosh Chodesh. Tonight, it's going to be in Miami. For the local ones, you're welcome to come. And for the ones who can't make it, this lecture is going to be broadcast on YouTube like yesterday. And the link to the broadcast is underneath this short video. For the ones who watched the lecture yesterday and are interested and they're joining everything that we're going to do in the next month, then in case you haven't gone yet, then you have to go to atzmut.org/Elul. And on that page is all the instructions of everything that you need to do throughout the month of Elul. And not only that, when you scroll down that page, you will find buttons for every day. And when you click that button, when it says day 1, day 2, day 3, everything that you need to do on that day is just ready for you waiting there. The Tehillim that you need to read, the chapters of Mishlei of Proverbs that you need to read, the prayers, everything is organized for you. There's no excuses. Just go to atzmut.org/Elul and all the information is there. You can't really miss it. You have to follow first read the instructions. That's on the top part of the page. And in the middle part of the page, you'll find the actual days and you click on the day. And when you click on that, it opens a page where it has all the instructions and the links to the pages of what you need to read, pray, and recite. And on the bottom of atzmut.org/Elul, you'll find a lot of videos that will give you just a bunch of amazing information about the month, what to do, and so forth. So the next thing I want you to do is to share this page and share all these videos with your friends, with your loved ones on social media. Don't keep it to yourself, share it with everyone. Next, what I want to add on that is for the residents of Florida, I'm going to be here for the next 2 weeks. And it's going to be 2 weeks full of lectures. Tonight is a lecture here in Miami next to Fort Lauderdale. Wednesday and Thursday, I'm going to be in Tampa, Florida. We're going to have 2 lectures over there. And next week in Miami area, every day, there's a lecture. Surfside and Fort Lauderdale, Aventura. Go to atzmut.org/tour, scroll all the way down, and you'll see all the schedule for the lectures. When you click the title of the lecture, it will open to you a page with the flyer, with the map, with the address, with all the information you need to know. And why am I saying that if it's only in Miami? Because all the classes are recorded. We are working on seeing if we can broadcast all of them. And if not, they're going to be recorded and go up to the YouTube channel right away because all the lectures are about Elul. So stay tuned. More than that, please share this video and make sure that as many people see it. Go to atzmut.org/Elul and see everything that you need to do. And I hope you watched the lecture yesterday. If you didn't, go to my YouTube. It's under the live tab. It's not a regular that we posted manually. It's a broadcast, so you can only find it under the live tab, not in the regular video tabs, not in the short tabs, rather the live tab. If you didn't watch it yesterday live, go and watch it. Go and watch it. It's very powerful, very inspiring, very educating. And of course, it calls for you to do some action. So it's not going to come free and easy. So go watch that video, watch the lecture tonight, educate yourself. I hope you get inspired and take advantage of Elul. I can't even stress how much Elul is a powerful time. We're in a very auspicious time where you can easily change your path, change your life for the best, do tshuva, and be blessed in the next coming year with a Shana Tova and Metuka. So I'll see you tonight, Be'ezrat Hashem. Chodesh Tov, please share the video, and all the best.